Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with another review, but this is a long-term review. If you've seen the intro video, the unpacking video of our Hoover Whole House Elite Pet vacuum cleaner with the Bagless unit here, here's what we've figured out over a year. The number one thing is that it still works great. We're very happy with it. It still gets pet hair after you vacuum with it on a carpet. It just works out fantastically. I think the only few issues that we might have with it, they're not really issues, they're just things that we've noticed, is that notice the bin is no longer clear, and I just washed it a little bit ago. But the internal dust circulating inside of it actually makes little scratches in it, so it's not so awesome. The other thing is that I found the storage of the device here is kind of meh. The problem is that the crevice tool lives here, and in order to use the hose, there's nowhere to really put it other than, it doesn't, if you're going to use the hose extension, you've got to have the crevice tool out. So that's always been kind of a pain. And one thing I'm going to have to do, and I'll have to shoot a video for, and I'd noticed this on reviews of the unit as well, is that this power head loses power over time, and I would agree with that. I think the main issue is that the internals just get filled with dust. There's the belt that uses the wind, and what my wife has noticed is that it can also only suck up very little things, because there's a small turbine hole there to that the air powers the unit here, and so what happens is it gets dust in it, it gets hard to turn, it doesn't turn very fast. Ours is still turning, but it used to be like a 747 when you ran it. Now it's quite a bit slower. So I'm gonna have to take the screws out and I'm guessing clean it up a little bit, and I'm willing to bet she'll come right back to normal. But that's another thing of note. Other than that, it's been pretty good. Do you have any? No qualms. We did a video on how to change the belt, so we're still running on the belt that we changed, so that wasn't an issue. The filter medium, it comes with two. You can see it right in here, that blue thing there. So you can wash it, and so we've washed this one I think once or twice. We keep the other one and it dries out, and whenever we need to change it we do, but otherwise than that it's been great. Keeps it clean. We haven't had to buy anything there, and there's the guide on how to take care of it. The rewinders worked well. The auger, the brushes, oof, sorry about that, has worked well. I bet you a lot of the power of it cleaning is through the awesomeness of these brushes, digging into the carpet and getting that cat fur and stuff like that. So it's been a great vacuum for us. We're very happy with the purchase of it. So I would recommend it to anybody or anything who would like an awesome vacuum. And if you have any questions, we've had it for such a long time. The hose reach is excellent. The cord return still works great. It's easy to, if we get something like a sock plugged in here, it's pretty easy just to undo, and you can straighten it out and clean it out, and it only goes up to here. So if you do suck up something gross, you can usually poke it or pick it out. We've got a little stick we can use to get it out. So, and we haven't had any mechanical breakdowns on it, so it's been really good for us. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you want to see other reviews and things like that about it, you can visit our channel, Red Barn Homestead. Of course, now it doesn't pull in for me, but it usually pulls in pretty well. And yeah, it's a very good vacuum. Like I say, there'll be a video pretty soon. I got to take this head apart and clean it, but other than that, it's been great. So subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later.